Hi, I'm Jacquelyn Buchanan with McEvoy Olive Ranch, and today we're going to make soup. There is something elemental about soup. Making it, sharing it, being nourished by it, and I'm going to start out with our traditional blend, olive oil. I'm going to put it in my pot and add in my onions. And salt and pepper just a little bit to begin with. And then I'm going to add the carrots and celery. After those are nice and soft, I'm going to add in my pumpkin. A little garlic is going to go in here now, and we'll saute it in the bottom so that it browns. We're going to add in our giant ham hock. And if you're making a soup and you're a vegetarian, there's no need to add the ham hock. The soup's delicious without it. And then we're going to add the tomatoes, the white beans, and the greens. And this is beautiful Swiss chard from the ranch. And then I'm going to add my stock. So this is what it's going to look like once you've allowed it to simmer for an hour and a half. The flavors are perfect. These hearty flavors are perfect with our Pinot Noir, which has a wonderful, robust, anisey, full flavor that will perfectly complement the pumpkin, white bean, and chard soup.